Hey, what's up guys, this is IK from IMK Technical Hub, and today this video we will be doing the unboxing of this iPhone 12 which I have purchased from Amazon. I have purchased this product in the Great Indian Amazon Festival sale at a price of 39,000. So let's open the box and see the packaging. So this box comes in this plastic bag, and you can see the box. Now let's cut the box and see the packaging inside of iPhone 12. So also friend, the best price link for this is in video description as well. So overall I would say packaging, you can see packaging is quite impressive. So let me show the price of this iPhone 12. So here you can see it is written 41,499. I have also got 10% discount and 1500 cashback I have also received with this iPhone 12 as well. So this one I have purchased at a price of 39,000. The best price link for this is in video description as well. So let's remove the paper. So you can see it's a very small box, and this one looks quite impressive. So friends, you can see this iPhone 12 is in green color. So let me show you the box from all sides. So you can see, so this is also a new product, but I have got at a price of 39k. So let me show you some informations here. You can see it is manufactured by Apple India Private Limited, and you can see the country of origin is India. This is made in India product, and the month and year of import you can see here is July 2022. And also friend, the maximum selling price you can see 65,900, but you will get it at a price of 39,000 to 45,000 very easily in the Great Indian Amazon Festival sale. So here you can see the box content: iPhone 12 USB-C to lightning cable, but unfortunately you will not get a power adapter with this one. You have to purchase it separately. So you can see this iPhone 12 is in green color, and this is 64 GB variant. And also you can see this one is designed by Apple in California. So friends, let's open the box and see the iPhone 12. So here you can see, you can simply open it from here. So let's open the box. So here you can see nothing here, keep it aside. So friends, you can see this is the iPhone 12, and friends, honestly speaking, this color looks very impressive. So let me show you the all side of the iPhone 12. So you can see here you will get a Type-C connector for charging the device. So you can see you will get two speakers. This is the power key, and you will get two cameras here, and no headphone jack. So you can see here this is volume up and down key, and this is the power key as usual you can see in the iPhones. So let me keep it aside, and so here you can see the Type-C cable to lightning cable. So lightning to Type-C cable here inside, keep it aside, and some paper box. So here you can see designed by Apple in California, and inside you will get a SIM ejector tool and some stickers and some manuals which you can read as well. So keep it aside as well, and nothing inside friends. There is no adapter, which I have already told you in the video. Does not contain adapter. You have to purchase it separately, and the link for the adapter is also in the video description as well. So friends, you can see this one has 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR. So let me power on the device. I hope it has some battery. So friends, you can see the phone is booting up now. So I will show you the phone look. So this looks very premium, no doubt. So this one is aluminum frame, aluminum bezel you can see, and this one is glass as well. It does not protrude. So friends, you can see if you also purchase this product via Amazon, you will get the same content and you will not receive adapter, and I have got this at a very good price. And friends, I hope you have also purchased it at a price of 39k. So friends, this is the unboxing of this iPhone 12 which I have purchased via Amazon. So friends, I hope this video is useful. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe IMK Technical Hub channel so that we can give you these kind of videos. So friends, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, and I will see you in the next video.